best midsize car for 2025 to 2024 Hyundai Sonata. The 2024 Hyundai Sonata has been named the best midsize car for 2025, earning recognition for its striking design, advanced technology, and well-rounded performance. The latest Sonata continues to impress with its blend of style, comfort, and innovative features, making it a standout in the competitive midsize sedan segment. Elegant design and comfort. The 2024 Sonata features a sleek and modern design, highlighted by its sharp lines, aggressive front grille, and distinctive LED headlights. The sedan's aerodynamic profile not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to its overall performance. Inside, the Sonata offers a spacious and refined cabin with high-quality materials and a user-friendly layout. Standard amenities include an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity and convenience for all passengers. Versatile performance options. The 2024 Sonata comes with a range of engine options to cater to diverse driving preferences. The base model is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 191 horsepower and 181 lb-ft of torque, providing a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency. For those seeking more performance, the Sonata N-Line trim features a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine generating 290 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and responsive driving experience. Advanced technology and safety features. Hyundai's commitment to technology and safety is evident in the 2024 Sonata. Standard safety features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. Higher trims offer additional tech enhancements, such as a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a larger 10.25-inch touchscreen, and a premium audio system. These advanced features not only enhance the driving experience but also contribute to a high level of safety and convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 Hyundai Sonata is celebrated as the best midsize car for 2025 due to its sophisticated design, versatile performance, and advanced technology. Its combination of style, comfort, and innovative features makes it a top choice for drivers seeking a well-rounded and modern midsize sedan.